Dungeons and Dragons cards. Huh. Oh, Kiss one?
Kiss tour shirt.
Oh, that's cool. And then what do you ask for the video game stuff? Would you do a deal if I bought them all?
What's that?
Would you do a deal if I bought them all? Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
You guys selling goodies over there?
Yeah.
I'll have to buy some.
Oh boy. We're bringing the lemonade too if you would like lemonade. Only $1.
Only $1? That's a steal.
She wanted 4 and I said no.
She wanted 4. I mean, people will pay it, so.
Oh.
You have lots of, oh, there's more stuff inside there?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, and the pants, I don't know if you ladies in your life or kids or
Yeah.
they're like from size 8 to 12. Oh, the boots are over
Oh.
here. Oh, I should set them out.
Oh, nice.
They are. And I have brand new Michael Kors. Size
Gotcha.
7.
How much are you asking for the shoes?
I just give me $1 for those.
$1?
Yeah,
Yeah.
and the tags are in there. The little label thing.
And then what are you asking for the Michael Kors? Kors, I mean? I said Michael Kors. I have it in my coffee.
10.
10?
Take them for 10. 5.
You want 5? I'll give you 5 for
What
it.
did I tell you for those?
You said $1, Joe.
6. Okay.
$6. Okay.
Drink my coffee. These are Michael Kors too. So.
She loves Michael Kors.
I know.
There's nothing wrong with that. It's an order jacket.
It is. I think I got that.
You can tell by the tag. Yeah.
Yeah, I know, and I'm like, my girlfriend I used to shop.
What do you ask for this?
$1.
$1?
Yeah.
All right.
I know. I said, I like.
It's ready.
Oh, cool. $1.
$1? All right. They're older jackets.
Yeah. And there's that they never because I moved here from Michigan a while
Yeah.
ago. Well, I bought
Do you want your-
several here.
I'll take
I
those.
don't need them hangers.
You don't need the hangers?
I got that down here.
Yeah. Joe, are these all $1? Or how much is this one?
Sure, just take them.
Okay. I took a chance on these 3 jackets, hoping that I would score something on them. The first 2 jackets really aren't worth much, but the last one I picked up here, I could probably get between 30 and 40 bucks for.
Just hang the stuff on the garage door, and I'm like, I have too much.
Gotcha.
So all that.
All right, let me cash out with you here.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 plus 5, so 9.
Okay. Want the Coach purse for $1?
Where's the Coach purse? For $1? Yeah, I mean, okay.
It's my favorite. I gave it to my daughter, and she just brought it over today. I'm like, are you serious? Just get rid of it.
All right. Take that. All right.
Oh, okay.
Take that.
That's 10?
It's
Okay.
10. Let me, here you guys go. $1. Here you go. $1.
Lemonade?
Sure, you can pour me a glass of lemonade.
You want a snack?
I'll take one of these cookies right there.
Okay.
Pumpkin face cookie.
It's on that one drawer by the fridge. I have that little tongue with the rubber. If they can use
That would
that.
go off. All right, now I gotta keep looking to see what else. You give me good deals. I'll see what else is out here. What we got here?
Do you need any watches?
No, no.
I got Bulova and stuff.
Gotcha.
And I'm like, I don't even wear watches.
What do you want for these two?
$1.
$1 each? Maybe $2.
Sure.
What kind of watches?
I have an Invicta. They all they work. I just don't have the battery.
Okay.
Bulova,
Yeah.
Citizen. This is a Elgin
What do you want for them all?
Michael Kors.
What are you asking for them? 20 for all four? Or is it?
Yeah, this is Movado. I had to replace the bed. I left
Gotcha.
the old one in there.
All right, so what do you want for the whole lot of them? 20 bucks. All right. All
Good
right.
morning.
This is Citizen. What is this one? It's
Invicta.
Invicta, yep.
Men or women.
Yeah.
Yeah. Had to have it.
Michael Kors. Is this the Movado? Yeah, the black face. Yep. Nice.
Yeah.
All right, so you're 22.
Cool.
Yep.
Sorry, do you need a bag?
No, I got a big purse.
Oh, that's yeah.
I got a big purse now.
28.
There you go.
Cool. Thanks.
Thank you so much. Appreciate the deals. All right, we got Manning, PlayStation VR, and VR. Morning, man. You got any more video game stuff, or is that it? Do you have any other video game stuff, or is that it? I see you wearing the Mario shirt. Love it, man.
Yeah, I like all the old school stuff. My kids, they love all that old stuff.
Oh yeah, yeah. You got any like toys and stuff too?
Not anymore. 'Cause
Gotcha.
They're older now. You know?
I saw the figures and stuff hanging. That's why I was
yeah,
asking.
My Steelers stuff.
Yeah. How much are your CDs?
$2.
$2.
Yeah.
Let's have it. Cars. Your world. Snake. Good choice of music, man.
Hey, thanks.
What you got?
Those are really cool.
Yeah.
My company gives me like a boot allowance.
Oh, nice. Yeah. The Michelin boots.
Yeah, they're nice.
Yeah.
I think they're like 150.
Wow. I'll swing back when you're more set up. I see you're setting up shirts and stuff like that.
She's going to set up some clothes, but I'm not sure what she's.
Gotcha. Do you have any shirts you're setting up? Cause I like your style already with the Mario. That's why I was asking.
I might have a few shirts.
You have any, is like concert shirts at all, or?
I think I got a few.
Okay.
What size are you?
Large, extra large.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll look and see what I
Yeah. All right, man. I'll wait.
How much what I'm probably throwing out here.
Okay. Oh, Kiss one.
Kiss tour shirt
Oh, that's cool.
from 2000. It was like their first
Yeah.
farewell tour.
Yeah. One of the many farewell
Right,
tours.
and this is just like a regular Stone
Stone shirt.
and a regular Aussie shirt.
Oh yeah. That's cool. Yeah. Let me see that one here. That's cool. What are you asking for the Kiss shirt?
The Kiss one, because it's pretty much new. I've never wore it. $10.
$10?
Yeah.
It's a cool shirt. I'll give you $10 for it.
All right, cool.
You get change? Oh, actually, no, I don't. I got change.
Yeah, cool.
That help you out too even more,
Awesome,
right?
I know. It's like a lot of people come up to me with like $20 bills and
Yeah.
buy something for $1. I was like, I can't break it right now.
Yeah, it's well, this because we all go to ATM. You know what I mean? So that's what happens.
Right,
Cool shirt, man. Thank you for bringing it out for me.
No problem, man.
Awesome, man. Thank you.
You have a good morning.
You too. Morning.
Hey, how's it going, bro?
Good. How are you?
Good. That's because she's not in the light.
Dungeons and Dragons cards. Huh.
You never know what you're gonna find.
Yeah. What are you asking for the cards?
You can have all the cars for like $5.
$5, huh? What is it? Dragon Ball Z?
Yeah, GT.
What is this?
Some magic.
Fairy Tale. Is that all these two?
Yeah.
I mean, for $5. Take a. I mean, it's.
You know?
Yeah. I'll take all that. All right, cool. And then what are you asking for the video game stuff?
It's kind of varied, I guess, right?
What are you asking for the Guitar Hero and the
The
guitar?
Guitar Hero is probably like $70.
Do you have the?
I do.
Oh, you do that. Okay. A lot of people are like, oh no. What is this? This
DSi.
GSI. Does it work?
Yeah, you just need to charge it. I forgot to
Gotcha.
charge it.
Yeah, screen's just a little scratched.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Ben.
Yeah, no, these are good stuff, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you have in the Switch games?
That's the.
What's it? What?
So what do you think?
These are all. These are 20, and then that's 5.
That one's okay. These are 20 here. Okay. And then what do you have on this?
This one's Pokemon. I think white, if I'm correct. Yeah, it's Pokemon white.
What do you say, gentlemen?
It's not white too, just white.
Yeah. What are you asking on it?
I'd say 150.
150.
I can go lower if you want. I can go for 100.
Yeah. Wait. I'll take the cards. So.
Apple Watch?
And this one?
I'd have to wait for my friend to come out. Back.
Oh, is that his?
Yeah.
$6.50.
Gotcha. $5. Cards. Can I have that bag?
Yeah.
You blow it, they get alcohol.
The PS4 guitar with the game in the dongle usually goes for about $100, but at $70, it just wasn't enough for me to make any profits, so I decided to pass. Morning.
Good morning.
How much is the dumbbell?
The dumbbell's $5.
$5, and then the
Kettlebell,
kettlebell, yeah,
how much is that like?
$35.
$5.
$5. I'll give you $10 from both.
Awesome.
What else you got here? What is this? Lego?
Yeah, it's a Batman Lego set.
Gotcha. Is it open?
Only half of it is open and started. The other half is completely
Oh yeah.
closed.
What are you asking on that?
$2.
Okay. I'll give you $2. There's a sky. Oh no, a mixture.
Yeah, there's a mixture of things in there. He was like, "Oh look, my toys," and I was like, "They're not your toys anymore. They don't belong to you."
Yep, $10. Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate
Are
it.
you taking the Batman?
Oh yeah. Totally forgot. My bad. Apologize.
You're okay, thank you.
Yep. It's a lot of Vans.
Yeah.
They're new.
Yes. Parting with my collection.
Did you get them all from the store? Did you work? Did you work at the store or?
No,
Oh, okay.
I didn't.
I know a lot of people that have a big collection like that usually work. That's why I
Yeah.
asked.
This is the last bit of my collection.
Gotcha.
Too. So, unfortunately, I can't wear them anymore.
How much? What size is it?
$20. Size is 8. All size 8.
Oh, right.
These have been worn, right?
Those have been
Yeah.
worn. I think I wore them once.
Yeah. The rest of these, let me see. These have been worn.
No,
Yeah.
actually, they were tried on.
Okay. They look.
Yeah, just probably around my house.
Yeah. Would you do a deal if I bought them all?
What's that?
Would you do a deal if I bought them all?
Yeah, I would.
Would you do $10 a piece if I buy them all?
How much it is?
Deal.
I think it's $10 for
So
all
1,
three.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, yeah, 90.
Okay.
But that last pair on there, I think those ladies.
Oh, this she wants it. She wants it.
She wants it?
Yeah. Ma'am, did you want this last pair?
No,
You don't want it? Okay.
Oh,
If she wanted it, yeah, she can have it. You were looking at it first, so.
I know.
Yep.
They're big.
Yeah. I assumed because you walked away that you didn't want it, but I would just double check. You're welcome.
Yeah.
Got any other ones?
No. I mean, I have a couple of like platforms,
Yeah.
but they've been worn.
Gotcha.
And I didn't bring them out here. They didn't even have boxes.
Let me pay you.
So.
Sad to see him go.
Yes.
I know it's like bittersweet when they time.
Yeah. Well, the funny thing is,
Give me 10 then.
just give me a 10. This is the last bit of them.
Oh, okay.
And I wore them. Oh my God, I love them so much.
Yeah. It's usually the hardest part is getting rid of the first time you get rid of it, and then after that it gets a little bit easier
Yeah.
with time.
But
I've sold my collections off multiple times of different things, and
Oh,
I'm like,
really?
yeah.
my podiatrist said,
Thank you. Yes, yes, ma'am.
said no more. You cannot wear these anymore. And I was like, what?
That's heartbreaking.
You gotta be kidding me.
I'm just gonna buy them and collect them then. I'll
Yeah.
show you.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you have another bag by any chance?
I think I might.
Okay.
Let me go inside real
All right.
quick and I'll see if I've got another bag
Perfect.
for you. I think I have
All
a
right.
bag like that. What are you going to do with all these? Sell them?
Yeah, I have an online store.
Oh, do you?
Yeah,
oh,
yeah, so-
fantastic.
Yeah, if my wife doesn't steal stuff from me first. So she
Awesome.
she goes through, she takes out what she wants, and then the rest go online. But thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
All right, so let's talk about how crazy of a day this was. I wasn't even planning on going out. My mom was in town visiting, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna go out for like an hour or two in the morning. And it was just one banger sale after another. That first sale we got to, well, one of the first sales we got to, everything was $1, like Harley boots for $1. She sold me purses for $1, Coach purse. She sold me Victoria's Secret purse for $1. She would just sell me those leather jackets for $1. I took a risk on those. They were vintage. Didn't know if they were really worth anything. One of them has a stain on, so not worth anything. The other one has like 40 listed, but like 1 or 2 sold comps. So I probably ended up just donating those. But that last one was, I probably get like 30 or 40 bucks for it. So we talked a little bit off camera here, and she told me that her and her friend just go shopping together all the time. And she was just trying to clear stuff out. She had too much stuff, wanted to get rid of it. And she just brought out all those watches. It was a Movado watch, Michael Kors. There was, I forget what else was there. Invicta. Yeah, got like, I think 6 or 7 watches for $1 each. I think they're going to be valued between $200 and $300 for all that stuff, depending if I got to replace the battery in the Movado, which I think I do. I actually have my own personal Movado, which has the simple single gem at top with the all black face on it, and they are beautiful watches. I absolutely love them, very classic. So when I saw that, I was like, I gotta grab these. Now, that last stop on that Van shoes, I think we can get between 30 and 40 bucks for those, all the pair of brand new shoes there. We end up getting 9 pairs together, all together. 7 were brand new, 1 was used, and the other one looked like it was just maybe wore around the house. So on average, thinking about between 30 and 40 bucks for those a piece. The one used one, probably about 20, 25. I'm hoping to get roughly between $250 and $300 probably for all those shoes. With Christmas right around the corner, having brand new items like that should be, and those crazy patterns on those, we should do pretty well. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Check out our upcoming Whatnots. We are coming next week. Make sure you guys do like and subscribe, and also check out our second channel, Flippin' and Punchin'. I'll put a link down in the description down below here. We do more of the business side of things, talk about what we're selling on a day-to-day basis, kind of how the business is operating, more behind the scenes stuff. So I highly recommend you guys check that out. And until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.